don't know if you can see him right through here. That's a good sized bear.
Where? Oh yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, I see.
He's going up the hill. See if I can get another angle on him. I should be able to spot him right here.
I see. It's a little one. Go over there.
He's not that little.
No?
No.
Look, look.
Yeah. He's looking right at us. Just walking down the street. Yeah, I don't feel like being the first one there to
Look, look.
hook up with him.
It's coming.